Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you SST Standard 1, and the chapter name is Water. So today we will go to this chapter Water, and we will see that why water is important in our life. Before that, we have learned about the air, that air is also very important in our life. Without air we can't live also. So like that, water also, it is very important in our life. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, video games, carom. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework also, because that marks it will add in your term 1 exam. And you can complete your homework which you received in online classes, so that once the online class will over, if teacher will ask the homework to you, you have to show me without any problem. Now you have a lots of time, so it's better that you can complete your all pending work that you have not completed. If you have not completed still now your homework SST, please complete it, because again it's a short chapter 20 water. And then again I will finish this chapter today only. In first videos I will explain, second video is explaining, and then I will give you the exercise so that you can complete this homework in your fair copy. And please complete it in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and use dark pencil. So please complete it, because once the school will open, I will ask the homework to you and you have to show me, because I have all the records state wise. So I want all the homework that you should please complete your all homework. And we all know that we are in very pandemic virus like COVID-19. Because of these virus we can die also. So it's better that we can stay at home, we can enjoy the time with family members, you can attend your online classes, and you can complete your all pending work. In fact, whatever the homework you are not done, that also you can complete. In fact, after the finishing the chapter, please go through the book, you can read your books, so that your reading skill will improve. And you can just improve your handwriting also. For that you can write also, for that you can every day you can write 2-3 pages handwriting, so that your handwriting will improve. And please use dark pencil and write in legible handwriting. Bad handwriting I will not accept the homework, so it's better that you can write down in good handwriting and legible handwriting. So I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So please eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand before and after your meals, so that the germs it will just kill and it will not present in our body. And if you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's go to the chapter. I'm reading, so you also read with me. So this is the chapter of water. And like air, in previous chapter we have learned about the air, that air is very important in our life. Means fresh air gives us a healthy air, so that's why we should keep the air clean. So here is what water is also important. So air and water both are very important in our life. Now why do we need water? Now suppose that anybody will ask that why do we need a water? So you will say that we need water for drinking, for cooking, for washing the clothes, and different purpose, and for the different purpose. So water is very important. Now just like air, we all need water to live. Just like air is also important for all living things, like water is also important for all living things, and it helps water need to live also. Like water need to live also. Just like air, water we need, we all need, the all living things need water also to live, because water is very important. And it helps us to it helps us in many ways. Like us, even plants and animals need water to live. Like us, like the all human beings, like for that also, like plants and even animals also, both they need water to live. Like the air is very important for all living things, for plants, animal, for birds, so that it can fly, they can fly. For like that, water is also important for all living things, for plants and for animals to live. We need water to drink, wash and bath. So water is what? Here water is very important, it is very essential, and we can use water in different purpose, to do in different things. Like we need water to, first of all we need water to drink, then for washing the clothes, for washing the utensils, in fact for cleaning the house, and for bathing. So for that we need water for these all purpose. Water is also needed for watering plants. Exactly. Suppose when we are growing some plants, so that because plants give us fresh air and it can just absorb all the dirty air present in the air. So what, like we need water is also very important for the watering plant. So that suppose when we are just growing any new plants, then we are just giving the water, is taking the sunlight from the sun, and then air is always present in all the surrounding areas. I told that for the new plants we need three things which is very important to grow plants: water, sunlight and air. So water, like we are giving the water to the plants because plant is also living thing, so that's why we are just providing the water by watering the plants. In sunlight, he just get the sunlight from the sun. And air is always present in our surrounding areas. I told that we can't see the air, but we can feel the air, it is present in everywhere. So like water is also needed for watering plants. We need water for cooking, cleaning and also to put out fire. Now we need water for many purposes. Like we need water for cooking, like you saw your mothers when they are just making the rice, vegetables, on that time they need the clean water. For cleaning also, like suppose they are cleaning the bike, car and the house, on that time also we need water. And if like fire is there, and then for that we just calling the firecrackers and we just bring the water, and then for that we put out water is what it can put out fire also. So we can just take the water for help for many purpose. So that's why water is very important, and we need water for these all purpose, like cooking, for cleaning and also to put out fire. Now one question is there that I wonder where we get water from. Now from where we get water, that its question is there, like because see water, we just simply say that we can get water from the supply of electric supply of water, which it come from the underground through the pipes, and then it goes to the tank, and then from the tank we are filtering the water, and then we are drinking the water. But that water, from where it comes, that water, from where we get that water from? Then we get water from many sources. We can get water for many sources, not only one source, not through the electric wire, and not through the pipes, and not through the tanks. We can get water from many sources, such as lakes, oceans, rivers and springs. So please you can underline that if anybody asks that from where we get water, from, then answer is, it is in your third topic. We get, please take out your pencil and please underline it. We get water from many sources. We get water from many sources, such as lakes, oceans, rivers and springs. So from we you have to underline till springs. So we get water from many sources, such as lakes, oceans, rivers and springs. Oceans meaning is what? That large water bodies with salty water. Suppose it's a very large water bodies and the water is salty. that water is unfit to drink, it's unhealthy to drink, so we are not drinking the salty water. And spring is what? A place where water comes out of the ground, means from the underground the water is coming. So with these all sources, the water we get water from these all sources. Then the next line and the next topic I will teach you in the next videos. So please guys watch the next videos, and in next videos I will give you the exercise also. So please be ready with your book and with pencil. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.